This is a technical video for General Formulations, and the focus is Know Thy Floor. In this video, you're going to get a focused, detailed walkthrough of General Formulations floor graphics and overlaminates in order to make the right choice for your install and customer. Floor graphics can offer a wide variety of benefits, from design, advertising, and safety. And in many ways, the installs are straightforward and can make for a profitable revenue stream for wrap shop and freelance installers. Yet, making the wrong choice can be easy, and here are two examples. Here, the same combination of full print and lamination spot floor graphics were installed in this entire hotel. On the smooth tile floor, they are holding up fine, while here on the carpet, they are lifting. This kind of failure quickly makes for unhappy clients, leads to costly redos, and potential trip hazards. Here, this large floor graphic was installed, and the adhesive was removable, the lamination was matte, and the floor was textured, which resulted in lifting, overlaps coming apart, and water getting underneath the adhesive, which clearly results in a redo. To avoid this, the first step is to go to generalformulations.com and click on Products and Print Film. Scroll down to By Application and click Floor. Here you'll see the two digital full print films from General Formulations that are approved for floors. If the floor you are about to install is a smooth laminate, or a sealed painted or unpainted concrete floor, or sealed parquet floor in good condition, then the best option is to use GF210 Traffic Graphic, which is classified as floor advertising vinyl that has removable adhesive and will have a clean removal up to 6 months. Now, if your floor is a low nap carpet or it is sealed with a light to moderate texture, then it's best to use GF212 Traffic Graphic, which is classified as a carpet advertising vinyl that has a high-tech removable adhesive and will have a clean removal within 6 months. If the floor you are wrapping is not smooth, like this textured tile, or is a thick short loop carpet, then it's best to use GF235 Motomark, which is geared for low surface energy because it has a high bond permanent adhesive. Now we move to overlaminates, which can also be found at generalformulations.com by clicking on Products, then Laminates, then scroll down to By Application and click on Floors. Here you'll see the 4 Traffic Graphic overlaminates that are all UL approved. GF109 and GF211 are the thickest, and GF109 is scratch resistant and comes with a matte finish. GF211 is gloss. GF213 and 217 are thinner, and GF213 offers a friendly PVC-free option. When pairing with the digital full print film, GF212 should only be paired with the thicker GF109 and GF211 since they will be applied to uneven surfaces, while GF210 can be matched with all 4 overlaminate options. Now we move on to floor installs and some basic installation tips. For carpet installs, simply vacuum right before the graphics are installed. For all non-carpet installs, a good tip is to mop the floor the day before the install to remove the major dirt, and on the day of install, sweep the install area, then degrease, with particular focus on the edges. If the floor graphics require an overlap, be sure that it's at least 1 inch wide. This will help for long-term hold, and avoid making butt joints, as this can lead to durability issues within 6 months. If the floor graphic has sharp points, a good tip is to round them off. This will significantly help in reducing these areas from lifting during the life of the install, and if installing on parquet floors, be sure to trim carefully to avoid cutting the floor. For maintenance, standard cleaning should be applied, and be sure to clean in the same direction as the overlaps. For more information on General Formulations floor film or to ask specific questions, you can go to generalformulations.com. This has been a technical video for General Formulations floor film called Know Thy Floor, proudly produced by the Rep Institute.